Step one is you take a plain piece of paper and you fold it exactly in half. Line up the edges and do a crease. Then you open it back up again and you take each corner and fold it to the middle. So line up the corner edge with the center line on both sides. And if they come out pretty even, then you're off to a good start. All right, step two is to do the same thing again. Fold the corner over the edge to the center line. And that makes the wing. Do that for both sides. Fold everything in on itself. So we have something that looks like this. There we go. Is really fold out the wings like this. So instead of folding in, you fold out. Do that on both sides. Here. So take a pair of scissors and I cut a little flap in here. And that allows me to fold the insides over and keeps them together. And also keeps the wings more horizontal than they might otherwise be. That is the finished product. All right, so now we're going to do a test flight and see how it goes. Usually they go nose down about 6 or 8 feet out. And so we're going to take care of that if that happens. Oh, what this does is tend to keep the nose up. And you can adjust how much you bend these flaps up to get the thing to fly the way you want it to. That's a little steep, but that's what the flaps look like. Not quite so much. All right, another test flight. Oh, not bad.